Somebody's ready to get up. What are you doing? What are you doing, Sally? Why are you biting yourself? Oh. So this one woke me up at 6, puking his bile. I managed to catch it on some of her little blankets. And so I took her outside. I was like, yeah, we'll go outside. There's a frog on the deck. She immediately wants to deal with him. Wasn't sure what she would do. She was very curious. And I took him and moved him off the deck and then took her back out. And then there's another frog. And of course I don't want her licking the frog. That won't help her stomach. And I didn't want her to hurt him. I didn't want to hurt the frogs. So I've been up for a while. Had more rain last night. The river's brown. It's been raining all day. This one's got a little cabin fever. Don't you? Don't you? She was sleeping a bunch and now she's all like, aren't you? Kapla, kapla. Alright, it's raining and we're taking a really, really short walk in it. There's thunder. It's a terrible, nasty day. Look at that. There she is. There you are. Hi. Hey, sweetie. You okay? Hmm? You okay? You a sleepy girl? Yeah. You're so cool.